Now let's set this thing up. First of all, we hook it up with power. Now let's turn on the robot. By long press the power button here for 2 seconds. This ringtone tells you the robot is on.
Network connection failed. Please check the network status or reconfigure the network.
As the ringtone suggests, we need to connect the Wi-Fi to this robot. To do that, we need to have your smartphone installed with our Narwal app first. Long press both buttons here.
Waiting for network configuration.
Now open your app on the phone. Your phone will connect it to your Wi-Fi, and then you put in the password to your Wi-Fi and follow the instructions of the app to connect the robot to your Wi-Fi. We're gonna have a separate tutorial to show you how to connect the device with Wi-Fi. Now that your robot is connected to your Wi-Fi, it's almost ready to work. But the last step is to install the brush module onto the robot. Press the home button on the base station to get the robot back into the base station.
Recalling the robot. The robot has been recalled.
Now the robot is ready. Hit the home button again, the robot will exit.
The robot is leaving the base station. Please keep the way clear.
When the robot is back into the base station, long press the home key to start mapping your house.
Mapping is started.
As the robot maps out your house for the first time, it vacuums and sweeps as well. If you want to keep the robot away from certain areas, you could line around that area like a rug with our magnetic stripe that comes with the robot, like this. Narwal is capable of getting over obstacles as high as 0.6 inches. Now that the mapping and vacuuming is over, we're ready to mop. First of all, fill the blue tank with clean water. Make sure the water doesn't exceed the max line. Put it in. Get the robot out.
Is leaving the base station. Please keep the way clear.
Replace the brush module with the mops. You can see the rounded triangular mops rotate inward to clean the floor. Get the robot back into the station. Press start to start mopping.
Room cleaning has started.
The robot gets out of the station to start mopping. It washes the mops first. As you can see on the little screen on the base station, the washing is in process. After washing the mops, Narwal will return to its task automatically. the rotation speed of the mops is quite fast, and there's a pressure added to it, so the cleaning effect is quite good. As the world's first self-cleaning robot mop and vacuum, Narwal knows when the mops needs to be cleaned and automatically goes back into the base station to clean them. After washing, the mops will be blown dry so they don't get too much water on your floor. You can also adjust the humidity level of the mops on our app to adapt to different types of floor. As it's working, you can press the start pause button to start pause it at any time, or press the home button to get it back into the station. Or you can long press this start pause button to end the task. You can also long press both buttons to lock up the keyboard.